Hi guys, welcome to this review about replacement tapes of this Brother Ptouch label printer. I've been buying this one about half a year ago and it was pretty good so far. I mean, the most surprising thing is that I didn't have any kind of battery issues. It has such bad reviews. A lot of people are complaining about battery life, that it drains within a couple of weeks or so when you leave the battery inside, but I've never had problems. I mean, I turn it off after been using that. I think it has automatic turn off, but I don't rely on that. I just turn it off and I never had problems with that. So I've been doing a lot of printing successfully, but the tape itself, I'm not so happy with it, especially with the back. The back cover is really hard to peel off, and so I thought after 1 year of a lot of printing, I think it's time to buy some extra tapes. And the original tape is about $12, and there was a set for $12 which gives me 6 tapes. So I thought, yeah, at the moment, yeah, I'm a little bit on a budget. So I thought, yeah, it's maybe a good time to save a little bit of money here if it's possible. So let's check and compare to the original one. The original is white. I've prepared a small print here and I'm going to print and compare it now to the new things here. So this is the printing. Usually it's printing good so far, but as you can see, the problem here, there's no split design or so. You really have to use the knife. That's not good. So I'm going with the white here. You can see we have the color on the side. By the way, here if you want to look at that, and I put down the link to this Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. I mean, it doesn't have the best reviews, but definitely also no bad reviews. So I thought I'd give it a try. Just 3 reviews, maybe it's rather new. So it comes also with this protection as the normal Brother Ptouch M-tape has. And so we have to, yeah, just push it down inside. I think, of course, we turn it off, put it to the back here. That's easy to open. So we have it here. I think that's already in the same position. Here we have the white. I have no idea. I think we can grab it just here and put this thing back. Yeah, that's definitely not too difficult. I hope I put it in the right position. Looks like it's a perfect fit, like from the size. So I try to put it back here. Yeah, we have to align these things here and then it's easy. So let's turn it on and print the same thing. Let's see if that works. Maybe I should have done some tape forward, but doesn't look too bad. So what we can see, that's the original, that's the cheap thing. Yeah, it's a little bit bent more. Maybe it's just the start. The printing itself, I would say it's not a big difference. Yeah, here now we can finally focus, and on the top we have the original, and here's the one which I bought from Amazon. And the difference is, I would say, the original is a little bit more glossy. Maybe it has more protection. But also it's a little bit more mirroring. The other one is less mirroring. I think this is a little bit thicker. This is a little bit thinner, but it's not much difference. So maybe it's even easier to read. I mean, still that one is the one from the 6 set. That's the original from Brother Ptouch. So you can see it's more reflecting, more shiny. Top one is thicker, and but the print is about same size, same, yeah, of course must be same size, same everything. But this is more white. Yeah, has a little bit of beige. The original Brother White has a little bit of beige. This is more white, I would say. So now let's try to stick it to something. So this is the bottle where I'm planning to put it on later on, 10 ppm colloidal silver. I mean, yeah, I don't have to do that now. I mean, I know I have this already on. You can see that that's pretty good, so no problem so far, sticking good. I've also been able to remove it more or less good. I mean, I cannot simulate that because the tape, I mean the glue inside is a little bit doing something over the course of a couple of weeks or months. So usually whatever you put on right now you can remove easily. The problem is only when you want to remove it after weeks or months. That's the problem. But here anyway, the big difference is here. When you want to put it when you want to use it, the only way to get this thing of the protection, you have to use a really sharp knife, and you have to be even a little bit lucky. Usually I've been more successful not being behind the camera, but you can see now I had it, so I have it now here with the knife, and now I can peel it off. So okay, works, but still it's crazy. So now let's try with this one. I think we have to just fold it and then we can peel it off. Yeah, that's so much better. And also this one here, yeah, it doesn't focus for whatever reason. Yeah, you can see here also this side, we just fold it and we can peel it off, and that's so much better. And we put it here, just do that here. Yeah, it's so nice. I mean, definitely it is a little bit thinner, and there's probably less protection. I'll grab a little bit of water. So I'll have this towel here. Hope you can see that. I mean, that was the original. You can see, I mean, that's really good protected. You can see it has this coating, but it's a little bit mirroring. This one doesn't have this coating, so let's see how it reacts on when we do a little bit of cleaning and wiping and so on, but still looks good. Maybe it doesn't have the same amount or same level of protection. Maybe if you leave this on for an hour or so, it would then probably have some problems. I could see, yeah, you can see that. So you can with a little bit of water you can wipe it off. If you rub enough, you can wipe this off. If you wipe here like crazy, yeah, that doesn't come off. So there's definitely a difference in quality, but as you have been able to see, it needed a lot, and it's still here. Nobody is rubbing like crazy on such a printing. Just doesn't make any sense. If you want to clean the bottle and you just wipe a little bit, you can probably do this 100 times and it doesn't come off. So, and of course also let's try to remove it now, but I have actually no doubt that we can remove it easily at the moment. But that's probably the thing with all the tapes. When you apply them fresh and remove them as they are new after a couple of hours or days, shouldn't be a problem. The problem is only when you want to remove it after a couple of months or years. But there will be also probably a problem with the original Brother Ptouch tape. So I'm definitely not complaining about that. So there's a difference regarding quality, thickness, protection. Yeah, definitely we can agree on that. It is maybe not a 5-star, but maybe I don't know. I mean, the price is awesome, and the thing that we can remove it so much easier. Yeah, I mean, I'm still tempted to give a 5-star. And definitely I can give you a recommendation for that. I don't see the problem here. There's a problem which we created artificially, which is actually no problem in real life. Okay, I've been doing now a little bit of research on the things of tape for the Brother Ptouch, and it looks like there are two different type of tapes. There are the laminated and there are the not laminated tapes, and this is definitely not laminated, and I would say 90% of the tapes no matter where they are coming from, original or like other brands, they are not laminated. Yeah, I would say 50% of them say if they are laminated or not. If you want to know that, then you have to buy from a brand which says if it's laminated or not. If I would say probably 99% of the listings which do not say anything about laminated are not laminated. From the original manufacturer like Brother Ptouch, they have both. They have laminated and not laminated, but there doesn't seem to be a price difference in laminated or not laminated, but this thing is definitely not laminated. But I haven't found any listing with cheap tapes and good reviews which are laminated, so I cannot give you any recommendation on that. But regarding non-laminated, this seemed to be good quality. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.